Today I'm going to show you how I like to use Sunset Daze Liquid Rays Bronzing Pigment Drops. These drops come in 3 different shades to suit light, medium and deep skin tones, and they are just genius. You simply apply a few drops to your favorite sunscreen, moisturizer or foundation to create that gorgeous golden hour glow and a beautiful luminous finish. So before you apply, I like to shake the bottle to make sure it's all mixed together and there's no separation. And then you can take your favorite moisturizer, sunscreen or foundation and apply a bit to the back of your hand, or you can apply it onto a mixing palette. Now the number of drops you add to your moisturizer, sunscreen or foundation is going to determine how bronzy and glowy it's going to be. So I'm going to add 3 drops to start. And then I'm just going to use a little spatula I have to mix it together. You can also use your hands, whatever works best for you. So as you can see, once it's mixed together, it's taken my white sunscreen and it's turned it into a neutral foundation-like finish. Now we get to apply it to the skin. So taking your finger or your spatula, you can apply it directly on. And then you can either get your hands and massage it in, or you can take your favorite beauty sponge, pick up the formula and apply it directly to the face. So as you can see, that has created the most beautiful, luminous and glowy finish. And it's perfect for those no makeup days where you want a little bit of coverage, but you don't want to wear a full face of makeup.